Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Colossal Titan. It's going to be a headshot. I did do a couple other versions of him, but I want to do just like a straight up headshot so we can get into some more detail into his face. And that's it, okay? It's going to be a relatively easy video. I'm going to walk you through the entire thing, exactly my thought process, so let's jump into it quickly, okay? Should be about 10-minute video. Whew. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do is hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Just so you know you have all the notifications that come up. I post 3 times a day. Like I said, if you like learning how to draw in these short formats, absolutely do that. Alright, let's jump in. First thing I want to do is I want to go over here to the brow. I'm going to pull up here to the front of the head over here, front of the forehead. Right, front of the forehead. Curve over here for the, it's going to curve to the top of the head. It's going to be basically like a normal portrait at the beginning. Go over here for the back of the skull. Go over here to the side of the cheekbone. Pull down. Down over here. Curve. For the bottom of the chin. He's got a pretty big chin. Back. Up. So far, it's just like a straight up regular portrait so far. Over here, find the ear. Again, looks straight up like a regular portrait so far. Nothing out of the ordinary. And pull down here, back. Down here, front of the throat, down. Line. And we got the shoulder over here. Alright, let's get into his face now. So that's a general, like if you just show this to somebody, it's just like, oh cool, it's a start of a head, right? A hair of a drawing. So let's get into like, you know, him now. Alright. Go over here to the nose. Line over here. Out, down. Down over here. Over here, down, back. Because he's got like kind of a pretty sharp nose. Excuse me. So he goes nose there. Now we're over here on this side, pull down. He's gonna have like an angry look on his face, so his brow is gonna be like kind of angry looking. Out over here. On this side as well. Angry look. We're looking for right here. It's gonna have like these little scrunches over here. And then you're gonna pull into the bottom part of the eye. So the eye itself is this kind of gaping hole. It's black. Pull out here, out over here. Let's go over here on this side. Over here on this side. Draw dots. He pretty much has these beady dots. Alright, let's fill in the dark part of this eye socket. Love this cartoon, by the way. It's kind of like a mixture of kaijus and zombies. I've heard that. That's a great comparison and observation, I think. Right here. Alright. So far. Now we're going to go into the chunks of muscle he has on his face. He's cool. He's a walking anatomy chart. Pretty much. I forgot to do the inner ear, so let's go over here and draw the inner ear real quick. So he's got the, I think it's called the tragus. Is that what it is? Pulling up, down over here, over here, and you could draw some stuff in here. You don't have to. You know, you could draw the inner ear as well, but you don't really have to do that. Let's draw a line over here for the other side of the... Okay, so before we do that, let's start the other line. Over here, over here. And he's got this muscle on his cheek. Down over here. Down over here. Curve up. Line over here. Line on this side, pull down. So we have this muscle right there, that muscle shape. We're gonna leave it blank for now. We're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna draw a line over here from the ear area, and we're gonna pull up right here. Go over here, pull down, curve, and then pull back here a little bit right there. Because it's open, he has his open, like the skin's open on the side really. And now let's draw the lip. So V shape in the middle of the lip, pulls up a tiny bit. Another V shape right there. And so we're gonna go the inner mouth, and he's got this kind of pulled down mouth, like he's going, I don't know how to say it, something like that. And then we're gonna find the bottom lip over here. And we're gonna pull that bottom lip round down. Go over here to the front, pulling in. And now we're gonna find his teeth. He's gonna be gritting his teeth. I'm gonna fill this area in there. He's gonna be gritting his teeth right there. Like so, gritting his teeth. And we're gonna draw each individual tooth. Over here on this side, curve for the upper lip there. We draw a line down here because what's exposed on his chin is the muscle on his chin. Alright, and let's go over here to the side of his head, pulling back. Line over here. Line over here. Let's go over here, find the sternocleidomastoid. That's a cord that goes from the back of your ear all the way down to the pit of your neck. And you just straight up see it on him, on this design. Right there. And I guess it's peeking around the other end, but that's, you know, kind of is what it is. Line down here. Line over here. Line over here. So now let's go into the patches of muscle. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. His teeth. See his teeth right here? They're going to go, you're actually going to see them go all the way over here. Side of the mouth. Line up here for another muscle that runs in the way of that, but we're going to continue the teeth. You can just straight up see the side there. Line over here, maybe some lines down. So now we're gonna do striations everywhere, and that's gonna be like here, the striations on the muscles, right from this point, right here in the front of the face. And then over here on the chin, you're drawing these thin lines, thick to thin lines over here. They're thinner than everything else because they're detailed. Same thing over here along the neck. And same thing in the back of the head over here, just not as much. And I believe the same thing exists over here on this side. And so after we do that kind of stuff, we have striations. What you want to do is you want to start kind of darkening and lightening. You want to start throwing a little bit of cartoon shadow pattern, like under his neck, like I always say. Throwing something under his neck here. And then over here a little bit. Over here you can throw it under the cord, but not that much, because it's not, the cord's not that thick in comparison to the rest of his body. Throw maybe one right here in the ear. A thick line there. Right over here. And you're throwing this anger lines right into the forehead. And the more you throw those in there, the not the more, honestly, but you know, you gotta throw some, but they have to add to it, right? If they're going in the wrong direction, sometimes it might screw everything up and make things look worse. There's like a little bit of folding over here around the skin. When you do put folds in like this, try to make them make some sense, right? Like, don't just put them willy-nilly for no reason. And I think that might be it. You can always throw a little bit more. But let me know if you like that. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this. I'll put a lot more anime if you want me to. You have to talk to me though. Let me know what's going on. If you're here at this point in the video, you've made it all the way to the very end. So say hey or hi in the comments if you can hear my voice right now. And I will say hey or hi back to literally everybody that does that. Okay? Just do it right now and I will say hi back. Otherwise, stick around for the announcements. If you like how I draw or how I formulate things, I have entire lessons on this, full lessons, but you can hear about that in the announcement right now. But I'll talk to you later. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.